Have you ever woken up with that stiffness in your back? Or felt your knees complain just from climbing a flight of stairs? Maybe you've noticed your skin isn't as firm as it once was, and those fine lines seem to appear faster than you'd like. If you're over 35, chances are you've already experienced some of these changes. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive creams, supplements, or painful treatments. What if I told you that nature already gives us everything we need to support our skin, our joints, and our overall vitality? And the best part? It can be made in your own kitchen with just a few simple ingredients. Stick with me until the very end because I'm going to reveal a powerful homemade collagen drink that not only helps ease joint and back pain, but can also bring back that youthful glow to your skin. And trust me, you'll want to try this tomorrow morning. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell because I'm always sharing natural remedies and health tips that can make a real difference in your life. Now let's start with the reality that many of us don't like to hear, but we need to understand. Collagen. It's the protein that keeps everything in our body firm, flexible, and strong. It's in your skin, your bones, your tendons, your cartilage, even your hair and nails. Without collagen, we literally start to fall apart. And unfortunately, by the time we reach our mid-30s, our body begins to slow down its collagen production. By age 50, we're only making about 35 to 40% of what our body really needs. That's when you feel the difference. Aches in your joints, more wrinkles, looser skin, brittle nails, and even weaker hair. But here's the exciting part. You don't have to simply accept this decline as part of aging. There are natural ways to stimulate and replenish collagen in your body, and today's recipe is one of the simplest and most effective you'll ever find. The first ingredient might surprise you. It's not exotic, it's not expensive, it's the banana. Bananas are packed with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce collagen efficiently. Think of it like the spark plug that starts the engine. On top of that, bananas contain potassium, which helps keep your body hydrated. Hydration is key, not only for glowing skin, but also for healthy joints and muscles. And let's not forget, bananas are a great natural source of energy. If you've been feeling a dip in your energy as the years go by, this fruit helps restore some of that vitality. Now let's talk about the second powerhouse, unflavored gelatin. Just 1 tablespoon of gelatin, hydrated in water, turns into a collagen-rich base that your body can easily absorb and use. It supports your skin by keeping it firm, smooth, and less prone to wrinkles. It also strengthens your joints and bones, reducing pain and stiffness. Think of gelatin as a direct source of building blocks for your body. It's like handing your cells the exact tools they need to rebuild. But we're not done yet. To supercharge this recipe, we add turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for flavor, it's medicine. Inside turmeric is curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But here's the trick. Curcumin is best absorbed when combined with black pepper or a spoonful of coconut oil, so when you add turmeric to your drink, make sure you include one of these. Once activated, curcumin not only helps reduce inflammation and pain in your joints, but also stimulates collagen production and supports heart health. It lowers cholesterol, improves circulation, and keeps your body running smoothly. So let's put it all together. Here's how you make this powerful collagen drink. Take 1 banana, fresh or frozen, slice it into pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, already hydrated in about 5 tablespoons of water. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, with either a pinch of black pepper or a spoon of coconut oil to activate it. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water, or your favorite plant-based milk. Now blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. And that's it. You've just made your own natural collagen booster. Drink this every morning before breakfast and let it work from the inside out. With time, you'll start noticing your skin becoming firmer and more radiant, your energy levels rising, and those little aches in your joints and back slowly fading away. Now, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people, and it encourages me to keep sharing natural solutions with you. And if you know someone, a parent, a friend, maybe a coworker, who struggles with joint pain or wants to take better care of their skin, share this video with them. You might be giving them exactly what they need. But let's go a little deeper, because this drink isn't just about collagen, it's about lifestyle. Adding collagen-boosting foods into your daily diet is one of the smartest decisions you can make after 40. Eggs, meats, seaweed, gelatin, and bone broth are all excellent sources of collagen and the amino acids that your body needs to repair itself. Pairing these with today's recipe creates a strong foundation for healthy aging. Think of your body as a house. Collagen is the framework that keeps the walls standing and the roof in place. Over time, if you don't maintain it, cracks start to appear, the structure weakens, and it becomes harder to repair. But when you give your body collagen through food and natural remedies, it's like reinforcing that house, keeping it strong, beautiful, and functional for years to come. And here's something most people overlook. Collagen doesn't just affect your appearance or your joints, it also plays a vital role in your gut health. The lining of your intestines is made of collagen, and when collagen levels drop, your digestion can suffer. That can lead to bloating, food sensitivities, and even inflammation. By drinking this homemade recipe, you're also supporting a healthier gut, which affects everything from your immune system to your mood. Now, I want to challenge you. Don't just watch this video and think, that sounds nice. Take action. Make this recipe tomorrow morning. Drink it daily for at least a week. Then come back here and let me know in the comments how you feel. Did your joints feel looser? Did your skin look fresher? Did you notice more energy in your day? I want to hear your story, because your results can inspire others too. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, let me know by typing hi in the comments so I can personally welcome you. And if you've made it all the way here to the end of the video, leave me a flower emoji. That way, I'll know you're one of the strong ones who stays until the end. I'll be looking out for you in the comments. So, let's recap. Collagen starts declining around age 35, and by 50, we're only producing a fraction of what we need. That leads to joint pain, sagging skin, and less vitality. But with a simple, natural recipe made from bananas, gelatin, and turmeric, you can fight back. This drink supports your skin, your joints, your gut, and even your heart. It's inexpensive, easy to make, and effective. All you have to do is commit to adding it into your daily routine. Remember, health isn't built in a day. It's built every day. The small choices you make add up over time. And this small choice, a simple homemade drink, could be the key to feeling stronger, looking younger, and living better. So go ahead, try it tomorrow morning. Share this video with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next natural solution that could transform your health. Thank you for being here with me today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.